Hello, everybody. So I'm at Shinjuku Station in Tokyo and I'm picking up my Japan rail pass. But before they give it to me, they kindly ask me to review this one page, which, as you can see, is also available in different languages. So I also took a picture and let's analyze this picture in more detail. So before they give you your Japan Rail Pass, before the company gives you your Japan Rail Pass, and basically you can start your travels in Japan, they ask you to review this one page, and they have it in different languages as well, but it's just one page. And the why do they do it? It's an example of Poka Yoke, okay? Because by more or less forcing you to review this, because they ask you to review this, they give you 1 or 2 minutes, and then afterwards they say, do you have any questions? Was there anything not clear? In my case, everything was clear. I think this speaks more or less for itself. But if it's not clear, then they will explain that part to you. But once you understand everything that is here, the chances that you make an error or you cause a problem in the public transport with this ticket is almost zero. Maybe not completely zero, but almost zero because you understood it all. So that's why I say this is an example of Poka Yoke. If you look at it, it's brief, so just one page, so you can review it clearly. The information is segmented very clearly, yeah? So in these different boxes with different colors, there's pictures to help you understand. So how does a ticket gate look like? How does a ticket look like? Where do you insert a ticket? Okay. Um, do not forget to pick up the ticket as you go through, so you don't just insert it, but you also pick it up, obviously. Otherwise, it's gone. Um, they ask you to take a picture. So if you forget something that was stated here, you have it as a reference. They tell you where this Japan Rail Pass is not valid. For example, here, no validity. So a lot of information here. All of it is intended to prevent problems. So because obviously what you don't want is you don't want a tourist to come in, get lost, or need assistance for half an hour, English assistance, which is also not always available in Japan, and that all costs time. That all costs money. That all disrupts the flow. So by having something like this, a Poka Yoke solution like this, you save yourself as a company all of the hassle, all of the time, all of the money.